Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what many consider the best SureFire flashlight on the market. The SureFire G2X Pro Dual Output LED Flashlight, also known as the SureFire Sst SNMNT XL. This compact powerhouse delivers exceptional performance with a sleek, durable design, making it a top choice for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The G2X Pro boasts a virtually indestructible LED emitter that's regulated to maximize both light output and runtime. This flashlight offers two output levels, a high setting that delivers an impressive 600 lumens, providing brilliant illumination for any situation, and a low setting with 15 lumens to extend battery life when you need longer runtime. Whether you're navigating dark trails, managing emergency situations, or simply need reliable everyday carry, this flashlight has you covered. One of the standout features is its dual output tailcap click switch. This design allows for intuitive control. A press gives you momentary on low light, a click locks the low light on, and a quick off and another press or click within 2 seconds switches to high output. This makes the G2X Pro incredibly easy to operate with just one hand, a real convenience in tactical or hands-on scenarios. The body of the flashlight is made from tough nitrile polymer, which is not only lightweight but also highly resistant to scratches, abrasion, and corrosion. This means it can take a beating in harsh environments without losing its sleek look or grip comfort. The anodized aluminum bezel adds an extra layer of protection and durability. Thanks to its precision micro-textured reflector, the G2X Pro produces a smooth, optimized beam that's perfectly pre-focused for a wide, generous peripheral light. This ensures you get excellent coverage without harsh hotspots, which is ideal for both close-up tasks and longer-distance illumination. Powering the flashlight are two County Route 123A lithium batteries, which are included right in the box. The flashlight operates on 3 volts and weighs just under 0.3 pounds, making it a compact, lightweight companion that won't weigh you down. In terms of size, the flashlight measures about 5.2 inches long with a diameter of 1.25 inches, making it easy to carry in your hand, pocket, or holster. Its ergonomic shape ensures a secure, comfortable grip whether you're wearing gloves or working quickly. The SureFire G2X Pro is also water-resistant, making it suitable for use in rain or wet conditions. It comes with a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind on your investment. This flashlight is perfect for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and hunting, as well as emergency preparedness and professional use by EMTs, law enforcement, and military personnel. The dual output feature offers versatility, allowing you to conserve battery life during routine tasks or unleash full power when maximum brightness is essential. To sum up, the SureFire G2X Pro Dual Output LED Flashlight combines durability, brightness, and user-friendly design in a compact package. Its reliable LED technology, robust materials, and smart switch mechanism make it an excellent choice for anyone needing a high-quality, versatile flashlight. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in a flashlight that truly delivers performance and reliability, the SureFire G2X Pro is worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews on the best products out there. See you in the next video.